Hi, hello and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you 10 advanced Python projects from a free website. Again, I always give you free things, and especially with source codes, and everything is for free. You can just copy paste and yep, your project is ready. So the website for today called darikdari.com. You just type darikdari.com and you will find every single thing. So here you can find a lot of projects for WordPress, Java, Python, Java, R, and a lot of other languages. But also you can find some fixed errors if you have an error. So you can just come here and you can find, you can find the error that you have. I don't know why my mouse is not working very well. Okay, so the thing is, today I will show you this or these projects with source code, and it is Python advanced projects. Okay, it's not for something else, but if you want another language, just tell me and I will for sure do a video for you and find another website or another blog on this website that's talking about the same thing. Okay, so let's hide this content. So the first project is AI powered chatbot using Python. So you can find the features, so the things that they made it from. So here they used Python, of course, yeah, Python. So TensorFlow, NLP, and Flask, and everything will be ready here in GitHub. See, it's amazing. So just go to GitHub and get the code. The second project is face recognition attendance system. This is so good, by the way. In my university, I got this project and I did it myself. But of course, I changed some stuff, so it's so good. You will have the raw data and the data in CSV and also in Excel. So for me, I worked with the CSV file, and you will find the features and stuff. The third one is web scrapper with selenium and beautiful soup. Honestly, I didn't work with this, but I worked with beautiful soup, and it's amazing. By the way, it is well detailed. You can also use this one. Again, it's in GitHub. The fourth one is AI based fake news detection system. Honestly, I didn't see this project, but for sure it's good. By the way, oh, it has an interactive UI. This is good, and it is made with Flask. Okay, the fifth one is password manager with encryption. This is amazing too. Automated email sender using Python. I use this also. Yes, I did. And also, you should just have this authentication API key, and that's it. So the seventh is Python based keylogger for ethical hacking. Honestly, I didn't see it. I saw almost everything, but not, I think just two projects I didn't see it. The eighth is stock market prediction using machine learning. This is amazing too, and easy for learners, but you're advanced, but at the same time you want the something not beginner but intermediate, let's say. Yeah, so good. And even here they wrote it's intermediate. Okay, the ninth one is blockchain based voting system. This is so good too, and it has the interface with Flask again. And then the last one is advanced to do list with Django. I didn't see this also, but yeah, oh, it's good. They used the REST API integration, so it is very good. I really loved it. I really liked the projects here, and especially with the source codes and stuff. But also you can find other projects, like for example the student management system is really good. Let's just open it. So as you can see here, just go down and you will find all the code and stuff. See, just copy paste it and it will work. But also you will find like the examples, why we use this, what is that, what is this, so with explanation and every single thing. But also it gives you like some ideas to what to do, like yeah, so it's very good. Let's see what other projects they have. Yeah, you can find bonus more advanced projects. I didn't see them honestly, but yeah. And here, movie recommendation system. Okay, let's just open it like this. This one is good too. I tried it honestly. As you can see here, it tells you exactly what is it, and you can just copy paste it and learn from it. But also here, oh, my mouse is killing me. Powerful note taking app. Again, you will find like the code and stuff. So it's so good. Even the front end, the back end, everything is like there and with explanation. That's why I really, really love this website. Again, it's called darkdiary.com, and you can find a lot of projects, but also AI tools and exercises if you are like a beginner, or even not a beginner, but also you can find free books. But here you will find only the best books, let's say, which is so good, honestly. All right, so our video ended, and if you want more videos, or if you have an idea about any video, just write me in the description. And bye bye.